don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know what we're doing.
Well, then why are you driving? I should be
Because if
driving.
I go the wrong way, then you'll tell me I'm going the wrong way.
All right, so...
I just assume we're going this way. This is the way we always go.
Yeah. All right, so we are headed to my grandmother's. We're going to go get some strawberries and put them into flats. And I have to have Steven look at a rototiller that's been sitting in storage for the past 2 years. So he's going to get it to run. So
Well,
we can
tried to, I guess.
we can use it to rototill our garden. For the area that we're going to plant the potatoes and onions.
Going right there. Keep going over to the edge over here.
You got another one shovel somewhere, Nene?
Right there, get that right
Oh,
there.
I see it.
All right. So, stick them right here and work back. Because like I say, I want half of it done. I mean,
I thought you wanted the middle taken out. So you can plant your tomatoes.
I believe you can catch the root of them and pull them up, shouldn't you? Catch where they put together. Look at that.
There's 2 of them, Nene.
Oh, yeah.
And I got some good.
When you go plant these things.
Sunday. We're gonna go out there Sunday. It's supposed to rain on Saturday.
I'm gonna have to put more dirt to them then. I broke that off. Tell you what, though, I'm gonna give you the root. You can plant it, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, that one's full. You want another one? How many you want?
How many you gonna give me? Don't matter.
Just make sure you
Oh, they're gonna get planted.
plant them.
Now, Nene, I know you didn't plant all these.
You know I did.
Strawberries,
How
how'd
they
they-
grow in a year's time? They spread out. Those little runners,
Yeah.
they take off, and they that's where they start from.
You might have to add some dirt back in here, Nene.
I know you are. I'm about to add some dirt in my thing here. Some horse manure. You might get one spot for my tomatoes. I think you better plant these because these go a long ways. And you come back and get more if you want them, okay?
Yeah. All right, now that I got my strawberries, we're gonna go down here and check and see if we can get this rototiller to work. And if it works, that's so great. That was a lot of strawberries that was given to me. I hear guineas, I hear ducks, I hear chickens. I'm super excited because Nene's gonna give me some guineas when we get over there on the property.
You got a socket for that? What's that?
It don't matter. Look at them baby chickens, Levi.
That's a variety in there. That's Americana. I think there's a Rhode Island red in there. And those are Clemon white. That white one's a Clemon white.
Clemon white.
Got the black on it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And probably a game chicken in there.
What are they, Levi?
They pretty? You like my chicks? That black one and that gray one is probably Easter eggs. One's like green.
Yeah, I see. Yeah. That's what I want. I want a lot of Easter eggers. In case y'all don't know, my grandmother hatches her own chicken eggs and sells them. She's got some Rhode Island Reds. And you got Americanas, Danny? You still got some Americanas over here? Help him. Hold his hand at least. He wants to be a big boy. Hey, watch your step. Hold it, Gracie.
Put that golf ball right here. Give it to him. Sit on his egg. Yeah, right there. Give it to him. Let him hold it. There's your egg.
All right, go on to the next pen, Levi.
You get some more in a minute. Go.
Look at those. Those are like a dark brown and a beige.
I got to go back in there.
All right, which other way? Nanny, what kind of chickens are those that lay those brown?
Italian copper Moran.
Italian copper Morans?
Yeah. Yeah.
Those are pretty eggs. I like the browns in them.
Yeah, those are copper eggs. Come on, Pepper, get out of there. We're locking in the shit.
Yeah.
You in there? Yeah, that's what it is. That's all it is.
2 duck eggs? Good job. Look at them turkey or duck eggs.
No turkey's not laying yet.
Hey, you said these are what now?
Some people call them the Colombian whites. I really don't know what they are, but they lay pretty good.
I got 3 eggs. 3 eggs?
Yeah.
And those are even lighter than the other ones.
3 or 4, whichever one.
You take both of those things down there?
Yeah, take all of them.
Yeah, that one didn't have any. Those one had 3.
Chicken mites.
Garlic powder where they won't have chicken mites.
Yeah.
Now what about, I heard people saying something about getting, doing oregano. What's the oregano for?
Oregano's for the babies, I keep them from getting upset stomach.
Okay. Now, like I was saying, Nanny does incubate her chickens, her eggs, and that's like her side income. So she does Rhode Island Reds, she's got Americanas, she's got American Whites, I think they're called. I have to look it up. I'm gonna look it up. How many eggs you got underneath this hen?
Already about 10, I think.
What are you
Come here, Cordy.
when are you gonna set your
Incubator?
incubators back up?
I'll probably wait. I got to find out when these trees. What is it? First? April.
Yeah.
I'll probably go about 3 weeks before April. egg right there? That's the one I get. All right, now give me a little brown one to put back in its place. Let's see. Let's see. One right here. This is red, roll out of red. See, we'll go trick her. Well, she'll still have the same amount of eggs, but it won't be the kind, it won't be the balance. It'll be 3, 6, 9. There's a dozen in there right now.
A dozen?
A dozen.
She hatches every day, or the ones that she lays every day, you take those out and swap them with one of the other ones? Yeah. Oh, I agree.
All right, little egg girl.
Car. One of them can sit in the floor in the back, in the very back, and then the other one you can put it on top of the white tote.
Is it one?
Like they even start, they even have balloons coming on them.
Come here.
See, this is the balloon. That balloon right there.
I want the basket and the egg. Thank you.
All right, come on.
I want my egg basket.
Are you excited about having strawberries, Courtney?
Yeah.
You and Levi love strawberries.
Yeah. Stick both in the back?
Yeah.
Bye.
Alright guys, so in case you didn't hear what I was saying, my grandmother hatches her own eggs. She's got Americana, she's got Rhode Island Red, she's got Bantam chickens, and she's got that's like a wild game chicken. And then she's got some Carolina White chickens. I think that's what they call her, Carolina White or American White. I have to look that up. But yeah, she hatches her own chickens, and she goes to flea markets and she sells them and stuff like that. So, and she is local. She's gonna start her incubators up in April, like towards the beginning of April, so that way, and by May she'll have chickens. We got our strawberries. The tiller works. We are super excited about that. Whenever Steven says we can till, then we're gonna go with that. So, but I do know that field has to dry up a little bit. So we're gonna head to the house and put these strawberries in the greenhouse. You gotta help me do that, because I can't carry both trays at one time. Okay?
Yeah.
Alright guys, we'll see y'all in a little bit. Before, this is like my temporary greenhouse, and all of my plants that are going to get affected by the cold weather this weekend go in here, and some of my seedlings might come out of here and actually go, I might take them into the house. But I wanted to say thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.